Alright, welcome back to my channel. The PC case for my new PC build just arrived. Here she is. Let's open her up. Let's hope that the motherboard just got here. It's OEM and it has the Ryzen 5 sticker on there, so I was kind of worried about that. So the motherboard is Ryzen 5 BIOS ready. It's packed well. I think I might have been going about this the wrong way. Let's turn it upside down. Everything looks good. No, nothing visually broken yet. Pretty good. So this is a $100 case. Black Friday special. Let me just tear it open. Black Friday special, I got it for 50 bucks shipped. It's a Rosewill D100. So let's make sure I got what I got. Yeah, it looks like it. It's not bad. Now this guy's got 3 RGB fans in the front. There's room for 3 fans or a water cooler on the top and 1 RGB out fan in the back. There she is. Pretty slick. Yeah, I just want to make sure that this was going to be not broken. And it arrived in one piece. So, phase 1 of the Ryzen 5 5500 build is here. Motherboard is here. I ordered unfortunately I couldn't find the Ryzen 5 5500 chip only. It came with the fan, and I already had a fan, so now I'm going to have 2 extra fans because the Wraith stock coolers suck. So I went with a Vetroo RGB vertically mounted, I think it has 5 copper tubes on it. So, and the RAM's going to have RGB. So the 2 sticks of 16 gigabyte are going to be white with RGB. And the CPU fan is going to be right around there, and it's going to be white RGB. So that in itself is going to stand out in the case, and that's kind of what I was looking for. It's just a dark case with a couple of items in there that are RGB. Anyway, yeah. Good front I/O. Pretty clicky buttons. Ventilation, like I said, in the top for some extra case fans, should I need it. Ventilation on the bottom is also what I wanted, because I like my 650 gold EVGA power supply has ventilation down, and that's where that's going to go. I'm going to take that out of my old computer and put it in there. Anyway, sweet. It's all coming together. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you when probably I assemble it. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.